Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, right here on the YouTube channel of the same name, English Makes No Sense. My name is SL Rockfish, and today we're going to take a look at different ways in the English language to make the long A sound. You know the long A sound. The long A is when the vowel says its name, like A. Okay? Hey, that's in there too. Okay, so here are 5 different ways to make the long A sound. Come on. We have A consonant E. A consonant E. That blank here is for the consonants. You know the consonants. Any letter that is not A, E, I, O, or U. Got it? Good. Okay. Cake. Here comes the consonant here. There's an A consonant E. The K is the consonant. Tame. See here the A? T-A-M-E. Here's the M. That's a consonant. A-E. You get it. Sail. Here's the consonant L. Then we have inflate. Oh yeah, it can be bigger words. Here it is again. A consonant E. Perfect. There you go. A consonant E is one way to make the long A sound. But then we have A-I. That's a vowel combination. We have rain, pain, aim, and tail. The A says its name when the I is right next to it. The I might be a bully. Who knows? But let's do it again. Rain, pain, aim, and tail. Got it. The A-I combination. Then we have A-Y. Y is a sometimes vowel, but here it's a consonant. A-Y. Day. We all know the word day. Say, way, and ray. Okay? That has the long A sound too. O-K-A-Y. Okay, got it. Now, there's 2 ways that you can make the long A sound without even using the letter A. What? Yeah, I know. Crazy, right? Here we go. E-I as in veil. V-E-I-L. Veil. The E and the I make the long A sound. How? I don't know, but it does. 8 and vain. You'll find other words in the English language like wait, okay, and freight. They all have the long A sound, but there's an E-I in there. Yeah, I know. English can be difficult. Now, finally, here's another one. E-Y as in hay, like hay. Gray, the color. Americans don't spell it G-R-E-Y. Not often. We often spell it G-R-A-Y, which would put it over here. But Brits spell it G-R-E-Y. And so here it sits. Then we have way, like in curds and whey. And prey, you know, predators and prey. Little animals that get eaten by things or killed by things. Prey. Got it. Let's review. A consonant E. A-I. A-Y. E-I. And E-Y. All make the long A. But wait. W-A-I-T. Wait, there's more. You can also get the long A sound when it's the first letter in the alphabet. Now this one right here, or not first letter in the alphabet, first letter in a word. So we have agent. Here's the A consonant E. That one makes sense. Agent. But there's A consonant E. But this one's able. We still get a long A. Yeah, English always has an exception. Acorn. A consonant O, not an E. Yeah, I know. Acorn. And here's one. A consonant ID. Aphid. Aphid. Let's review. Agent, able, acorn, aphid. Why does English have 6 different ways to make the long A sound, and 2 of them don't even have an A in them? I don't know, but now you can read and pronounce this sentence, I hope. Here we go. Are you ready? There's 2 sentences. I will go slow. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ways to make the long A in this set of sentences. Ready? Hey, there is a sale today. Come rain or shine, you will be able to shop. What? Let me do it one more time. Uno más. Hey, there is a sale today. Come rain or shine, you will be able to shop. What? Come on, English. Yeah, I hope this helps. I hope this helps you with words to pronounce and create using different A combinations to make the long A. Peace, friends. Let me know if you have any more questions, okay? Oh, O-C-O-K-A-Y. Got it. Peace.